pressure finally. Another one to add to the farm truck list. Just got tagged and insurance. Put on it today. I gotta get this carburetor tuned. Stock 305, original one that came in this truck. It was my granddaddy's truck. Less than 100,000 original miles on the motor. Ain't nothing been swapped but a Carb. Took the Quadrajet off with a Holley. True farm truck. Got some work to do to it, but we got oil pressure now. Yeah, we got this old stock small block 305. This I'll be the smallest farm truck out there. Longest truck, smallest motor. 85 long bed. On the way to Alamance County. Yes, sir. Everything original. When I say everything, everything. See what she talking about. Ooh-wee. Ain't nothing special. Gotta get this car ready too. Y'all can look at that thing right there. It's a GM World over here. Mean motor in there. Clean cuts. Nice motor in there. She getting the Malibu right over here. I told you.
Oh, please.
I ain't gonna put you on there.
All right.
I said yard full of GMs. Cadillac. And our old truck. My Trailblazer. Another Chevy.
Yeah, this a little girl here. The girl, the boy's supposed to be bigger than the girl, but fuck that.
Hey!
Our little girl's bigger.
Get on the porch.
No,
Get on the porch.
They're
Get on the porch now.
They like it warm, but so when it starts getting wet or anything, they don't like
Yeah.
I gotta put her down.
Gracious.
Yeah, they get up to be about 550 pounds.
Wait a minute. Wait.
I tell them they just babies.
Yeah, they're babies right now.
They'll let it be about 150 years old.
The Galapagos is the biggest.
They're second.
You heard of them. They're the biggest. These are the second.
And they have babies?
They're babies.
No, they are babies. they're not ready
They
to.
got to get 4 to 8 babies.
They're about 7 years old. They'll live to be about anywhere about 100 to 150 years old.
That's adult baby.
Yeah, they're just
So
babies
they'll
right now.
be around when all of us are gone.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy.
They get big, and
So y'all just
kids
let them
actually
around the
can
house?
get on and ride them.
Yeah, well, yeah. When it gets cold weather, they have to come inside because they like it warm.
They just be around, walking around in the house.
Well, they're from the desert area,
Yeah.
so they like the temperature that they're comfortable with.
It's just right there. Look, right here, I just gotta put this on. This is the kickdown right here. We just snap to him. That's snap, but this is on the cable. When you mash it, it goes flat now. When you mash it, it pulls on your transmission.
What's this for, Mike? This green.
Right.
Alright, I'll call
Gotta get some more tires put on.
That bull, they talking about that bull. I don't know how come they couldn't figure that out.
John G. Busted his lip. That's the rough child right there. Took out running. We got oil pressure.
That's a straight truck. Know that, right? That's a straight truck.
Riding an old truck.